next service call. We have no hot water. We have a Whale McLean CGA6 gas-fired boiler, or CG6 atmospheric. And we have a Whale McLean, looks like it's a 45 that we installed a while ago. Last year, actually. This is where we actually paid Peter to lick the 24 volts for $100, and we got that on a video, so you may want to check that out. Instagram didn't like it, and neither did TikTok, but Peter did take the 24 volts to his tongue. It's equivalent of taking like 4 9-volt batteries and feeling it. He felt it all right, that's for sure. Okay, so we have no hot water. Our zone relay, it looks like, is it this one? No. So this, let's see. Yep. Now, let's see. Here's our zone relay. Looks like it's this wire right there. Let's see. Looks like it goes to those 2 Wagos. I really don't have much room here. Let's see. Get in there. All right. Interesting. So these 2 go to here. Does it really? No, it doesn't. Oh, there's our 24 volts. There's our TT right there. All right. Let's see. Oh. Shit. We had a call for heat. Oh. Well, there we go. Good. Okay, so me playing with that relay made the problem go away. But now it's off again. So let's see. By pushing in relay, we have a bad control. How many zones is this? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zones. 5. Which one is my indirect? Oh, there's my indirect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need a 5-zone switching relay to get rid of the mess that's here and clean this up. Yep. 5-zone switching relay. I don't know where I'm going to put it. It's a lot of work right here, I gotta tell you. It's a lot of work. Damn. All right, so I unscrewed that single zone relay and then this 4-zone relay? Yeah, 4-zone relay from the side of the boiler. I have my new relay in my hand, on my legs. This is the SR506. Yep. 6-zone expandable switching relay. I just wired up my Aquastat. And if you notice, my blue and my yellow are my contacts that are my dry contacts, and my red and white are my 24 volts needing to power the circuit. So since we have a common, I made the white the common. The red went on to R to give it 24 volts. My yellow is W, right? Because R, H, and W, that's the circuit. It needs to close, but I also needed power. So I took R there, and I got my common. So now if I turn the switch on, that power's on, and so does the Aquastat. And except for 160 because we have a switching relay. Now, one by one, I'm gonna take these off individually and place them over here. I made my zone 6 my priority zone, right, for my indirect. You always want to use an indirect on the priority. All right, I'm almost halfway done. I did my line voltage 1, 2, and 3 from this panel here. I'm now working on my other side, which is my line voltage. And one quick little tech tip, I like to take a Sharpie and mark it with straight little lines. So this is zone 3, right? This is zone 2. You can see those 2 slash marks, and my last one will be zone 1. And that way I don't get anything confused. These I do one by one, but I also mark them with the same manner. So 3 slashes for zone 3, 2 for zone 1, and 4 slashes for zone 3, 2 for zone 2, and 1 for zone 1. And I'm going to use zone 4 for that one. That way, just keeping things in order. So let me do number 3. Sorry, let me do number 2 now. So I'm sitting down here, relaxed, nice cool basement. Not hot outside, 88 degrees, 100% humidity. So at least I'm blessed sitting here in a cold basement wiring a replacement SR506 6-zone switching relay. So there's zone 2. And let's grab zone 1 right here. Okay, I get my little lock nut right there. Get you in. Bingo. Let's put you right there. And as I go along, I tighten up my lock nuts. Some guys use a screwdriver, flat, tap it in. Here we go. Did I get this one? Yep, I did. Okay. So now let's put in our hot and our neutral for zone 1. Okay. There's my hot right there. And my neutral. Did I loosen that one up already? Nope, I didn't. Let's get that neutral in there, right there. Okay. You know what? I'm putting the other side. Make sure it all matches up. I like to go on the to the right of the screw. If we're vertical like this, right now we're on the bottom. All right, so 1, 2, 3, priority, incoming voltage. I have that one left. Let's take a look and see what this one's doing. This one's doing that circulator. Looks like radiant. Yep, there's a mixing valve. So we're not going to need power to here anymore. We have to disconnect the power from there, but or I can keep it. No, we're not going to keep it. How does this? Where's our TT? Oh, there's my end switch right here. There's my end switch. Okay. End switch, that's, when there's a call for heat, the end switch is going to close and close, TT on the boiler. So that's our end switch. We had an end switch on this one here. See? Isolated end switch right there. So let's get the show on the road. All right, my new switching relay is in place. Boiler's running. Zone 6, my priority is up. We're heating. That's hot. That's hot. That's hotter. That's hot. We have circulation. I have a little bit of one of the circulators, I think, is making some noise. Let's check our pressure. Oh, look at that. Wonder why that's bouncing like that. That is kind of a little suspect right there. Let's just close off my indirect. Nope. I'm trying to figure out why it's making that noise. Could we have pressure problems? Close our incoming water. Nope. Something's definitely funky going on here. That's closed, 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 closed. Interesting. Maybe I have a bad gauge. Maybe gauge is not responding well. Tridicator gauge maybe not responding well to increase the temperature. All right. Colefi auto air vent with the check valve. That way we can change this without draining the whole boiler down. Yeah. All right. It is what it is. I don't know why. I can't explain that. That's weird. But it's not being affected by my zones. I just isolated all of them and no change. So, yeah, that's going to be a problem in the future right there. All right. Smash that thumbs up button, guys, and let me know if you've seen that issue before in the comment section down below.